Alright, hey guys, I'm back again. This is Merk. I'm doing a little unboxing here of my Geopulse. I just got this in the mail. I hope my green screen doesn't block it out too bad. Geopulse, that is a box. Okay, so, yeah. Nice box, you can see about how big it is. Geopulse. And of course on the screen there you can see what all supposed to come in it. But I'm gonna go ahead and pop it open. Slid the top off of here. Geopulse, there it is. Just like on TV. So you can see the size of it. Not huge. I'll hide it in my palm. Alright. I think this thing's magnetized. Let me see. Oh yeah. Stick that on the front of my car. Right up next to my rover device. Looks like I have two inputs of some sort here. One is, oh yeah, that's already, okay. We'll just have to see what it is. Scan to learn. Oh, I got a little scanning card I have to scan to figure out what to do with this thing. Little mat to put it on. I guess if I'm putting it on the inside of the car. I wonder if this is sticky or something. Oh, don't mess with me. Yep, a little sticky. Oh, a little sticky on both sides. Little sticky mat. Don't need that. I'm putting mine outside. Alright, looks like I got two cables here. One is for power to the USB, and then this one looks like a repeater to get me better signal. I guess is what that is. So that is it. And I'm going to put the stuff I don't want right now back in the box. I got the device, I got the two cables, and I have out the scan to learn doohickey. Let's back up. Alright. So it's got serial codes and numbers and important stuff on the back, which I'm not going to show you. I'll have to use that. I'm going to go ahead and open up these cables and put them on. Why not? I'm going to have to take all this out to my vehicle in a few minutes and set it up according to the instructions. But I figured I would go ahead and do all this for you guys right now. And cut. That doesn't look too waterproof. Put that outside. Okay, so here's what we got. I got these two cables on here. I'm going to show you like this. Got the two cables put on it. One is for the extended antenna or whatever to put on the front of the car or wherever you're going to put it. This may be a repeater. I'm about to read all about it. And this one, the other cable, end is a USB for power. So I can handle that. Now, we're going to scan and learn something. We're going to learn something. We're going to get learned. Find a connector. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and plug this thing up to USB power. I don't know if I have one in here. I'm just going to plug it up to the computer and hopefully don't do any crazy things. If I can find one, that is, I'm going to plug it into it. There we go. Boom. Now, hopefully it's getting some power. Allow Geopulse to find, connect to, and determine the relative position of nearby devices. Allow it. Scanning. Oh, there it is, Geopulse. Let's select that one. Bluetooth pairing request. Pair. Yeah. Okay. Geopulse. Bobbity number blah blah blah. Installation date 5/21/2025. Location wherever. Bluetooth connected. GeoNet connected. Awesome. Map. It's going to show me where I'm at. Go. I don't know if it is or not. Oh yeah. Oh, what is this? Nope. It's showing somewhere else right now. Maybe we'll figure it out in a minute. Device. Sky. Yeah, so my data reception, satellite reception, it's not happening. Yeah, nothing at the moment, which I wouldn't expect because I'm inside a building. That's okay. I think I got it set up to where all I got to do is hit the device now in my car. Geopulse, here we go. Now I'm about to move that up to my screen where I start everything. So I got Geopulse and I got Rover. And I think I can run both at the same time. I just have to start Geopulse. I may not even have to do that. What does this do? Go? I don't know. I'll figure it out when I get to my car. So I think I can run it at the same time as I am running my Rover program. Because you turn the Rover program on after you run your Geopulse, and you hit quick connect and you set up your phone and it's recording on the thing, and you're getting really good data because now you got this Geopulse thing shooting really good data. So I think it's going to work together fine. I guess we'll find out and I'll let you know. But until such time, I think I'm going to end this video. Yeah, it's not that complicated. I got the device, I got the two cables. One is an outside antenna that goes outside, the other is plugs into USB. Bluetooth to my phone. I got the app connected to the thing, and now it's on my phone. And I can say go, bam. And then I can go to my Rover and say go, bam. Working both. Happy days. Hey guys, welcome back. So it has been a while since I first opened my Geopulse device, and I can't say that I'm very happy with it. After the last video, which I've edited into this one, of course, I took it outside, put it in my truck, ran it around, drove it around. I hit 4 hexes. A couple days after work, I took time to actually do it a little bit, you know, and turned it into work a little bit. I'm trying not to work. I'm trying to just passively let these things happen. But this one, I wanted to get it rolling and see how it worked. So I did a little work. Drove around, hit 4 hexes, 3 of which I filled up pretty quickly. The 4th one I hit. Actually, it was the 3rd one that I hit. I hit the 4th one after that. The 3rd one I hit. I went into the hex, drove into it, crossed the line, and I got 2 rewards, and then nothing. And I drove all over that hex trying to find more rewards, trying to get more to hit, and it wouldn't do it. So I hit the 4th hex, went back the next day to the same hex, tried to cross over into it the same way I did last time to see if I could get some more. Nothing. Drove around all over the place. Nothing. So effectively what this has done is it's locked me out of the total reward, which may not be anything more than single reward. But one of the hexes I'm never going to get because I can't reset it. I'm stuck to that one with the 2 rewards in it that I'm never going to get, however many there are. Can't do it. This is a problem Geopulse needs to fix. I can't reset it. Can't change it. I apparently live too close to hexes that are so far out in the boonies that nothing is there. I don't even live in Wyoming. Okay. Alright, let's talk about other aspects of this thing Let me look at the website here and just go down the list of things it says. Land level positioning, I don't know. Urban canyon ready, what? Navigate parking garages, that's not happening yet. I mean, maybe it is. I don't have a parking garage to navigate. Easy to install. It was pretty easy. Developer friendly. I don't know. Maybe. Okay, let's look here what it says. Ready to drop professional hardware key technologies RTK and WGNSS receiver. I guess so. Inertial measurement, sure. Secure element, sure. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, USB, yeah, that's true. Wi-Fi RF repeater port. It's got a port. I don't know. I was running it with my Rover. Now I run my Rover without it, and I can't tell the difference. So, I don't know. The Quest app. That's the problem. We need more quests. That one single quest for 8 or however many it is hexes that we're supposed to hit is kind of a joke. Now, if I go on a long trip, I can knock them all out and it'll be all right, I guess. And most people probably did it that way and whatever. But I don't. It's going to be the end of the summer before I make a long trip, I think. And I'll never finish it because that one hex has got me locked out. Unless I go there and for some reason it decides to give me more rewards. But I got to make a special trip out to it now. Not that fun. We need, okay, if I earn tokens with this thing, that'd be great. And I can convert it to, other types of tokens, possibly. That's fine. I did last time. I turned it in Solana. Whatever I did get, I got about a fifth of what I put into it, out of it, and turned it into Solana coins. And I'm using that for gas for other projects that I'm doing. Anyway, not that happy with it. Not that happy. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I did get some tokens out, and I will get more. Except for I won't, because forgot about this. The last 2 days I've been out to my vehicle, I've checked on it and tried to turn on my app so I could record Rover, and at the same time I always do this one. Well, it's now blinking on the dashboard, and I've unplugged it several times and resituated it. And every time I try to start the app, it says it's not there, or it finds it and then it disappears, or the app closes. And I'm like, what's going on with this device? I mean, it's just blinking up there. It's going out. It's disappearing. The device can't find it. My app can't find it. So now I'll never get my money back. Unless I contact them, which I may or may not do. It's so much trouble. I've already wasted $100 and whatever it was dollars. I don't think I want to even mess with it anymore. I don't think I want to talk to these people anymore. Why would I? Maybe they'll see this and contact me and be like, hey, you know what? Here, we can fix your stuff. But if otherwise, I'm like, whatever, man. Let's write it off. Wasted, bad, you get bad publicity for me. I'm not even sure I want the antenna from GeoNet. Now, I was gonna. Actually, it's too late. It's already coming, so we'll see. Anyway, moving on. I don't have nothing else to say about it. And I'm just going to put this up and let people see it and say what they say. Alright guys, like, share, subscribe, hit the post notifications so you know when I drop something new. And let me know what you think. Tell me what you want me to check out, review. I'll try to do it. Maybe some of these companies will see this and be like, this guy's going to be honest. And maybe they'll throw me some bones here and there. I don't know. Anyways, it's all about the moolah. In some ways, yes. Anyways, guys, peace. Have a good one.